Namaste. Today we are going to see some few information, some few knowledge about Vedic Maths. Lot of students, lot of parents ask me, what is this Vedic Maths? What is the use of this Vedic Maths? How it will help our children? So in this small video, I will try my best to explain you what is Vedic Maths, what is the origin of Vedic Maths, and then what is the use of Vedic Maths in current scenario, what will it do, and what is the scientific proof for Vedic Maths. So we'll try to cover all these things. So stay with me till the end. So before we start, we will go into presentation mode. Let me share my screen. So this is the presentation I have prepared for this today's video. So the journey of genius with Vedic Maths, presented by Professor Manor Patil, that's me. And then we'll start our presentation. This is a very famous quote from Shakuntala Devi. I hope everyone knows who is Shakuntala Devi. She was a human computer. She was a great mathematician. She said that without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. So you should feel the numbers. You should feel the love, feel the affinity towards number. Nowadays, 3 out of 4 students are having math phobia. So if you learn Vedic Maths, that math phobia will go away and you will feel the love, feel the affections towards all numbers. Numbers will excite you once you complete the Vedic Maths course. So that's the power of Vedic Maths. So these are the plan of this talk. I will give you introduction, then some few rules of Vedic Maths, then about me, and then course structure. So without wasting time, jump to the main topic. What is Vedic Maths? Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. And Vedic mathematics is the ancient system of mathematics. It is a unique technique of calculation based on simple rules and principles with which any mathematical problem can be solved orally. Whether that mathematical problem may be algebraic, geometric, or any other kind of trigonometric or other kind of problem can be solved using Vedic Maths very easily within 1 or 2 steps. So who discovered this and who is the father of Vedic Maths? And where does this knowledge come from? So Vedic Maths is derived from Atharva Veda. There are 4 Vedas. So out of 4th Veda, that is Atharva Veda, Vedic Maths is derived. Who did this? So Jagat Guru Swami Sri Bharati Krishnatirtha Ji is also called as the father of Vedic Maths, who discovered this knowledge, who assembled this knowledge from the Atharva Veda. It was revived between 1911 and 1918. He then published this book in book form, and the name of the book is Vedic Mathematics in 1965. It comprises 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. He is no more now, but we should salute him for his great work. So most of the parents are asking, what is the benefit of Vedic Maths? So this is the list of benefits. So first thing is speed of calculation increases. Your child will become a human computer, human calculator. He can calculate all kinds of calculations within a second. Apart from that, your focus will improve. Memory and concentration will improve a lot if you practice Vedic Maths. Because it's not just a Vedic Maths, it's not about mathematics. Even though the name is Vedic Maths, but it trains your brain. So it's brain exercise, brain development program. It improves problem solving abilities. It ends math phobia. Once you learn Vedic maths, you feel love towards math. So all your math phobia will go away. It enhances intuitive skills. You will feel better performance in academics and competitive exams. If you go to Google and search cat toppers recommendation about Vedic maths, you will see that almost every year out of first 10 to 15 toppers, one or two toppers always says that because of Vedic maths, I could able to finish my paper within a time. So Vedic maths gives speed and accuracy, and these are the two factors required for any competitive exam. Competitive exams are easy, but we can't cover in certain period of time, in 2 hours, in 3 hours. That is the trick, that is the main game in that. So if you learn Vedic maths, you can solve all problems accurately within very short period of time. That's why toppers always recommend Vedic mathematics course for competitive exams. Then next benefit is improves logical thinking and critical thinking abilities. By regular maths, you can't develop these skills. It develops work function of right brain. There is left brain and right brain. Both are responsible for different activities. So your left brain is responsible for logical reasoning, data-based activities, data-based calculations, but your right brain is responsible for creative thinking, artistic thinking. Intuitive powers are based on right brain, and generally we don't train our right brain. If you are using your right hand, your right activity for most of the time, that means you are developing your left brain. So left brain is responsible for right hand side activities, and right brain is responsible for left hand side activities. I will give you small tips here. If you want to develop your right brain, start writing from left hand. First day, first week, you won't get even alphabets. It's okay. Keep trying. After 1 month, you can start writing with left hand. If you are writing with left hand, that means you are training your right brain. This is how it works. This is small tips. The next thing is, it is confidence booster. Your child will become confident in all activities, in all academic activities, all competitive exams. That is very important. There are few more benefits which we have not enlisted here. If you go to Google and if you type what are the benefits of Vedic maths, you will get all the list. Actually, I came from science background, so I won't tell you something without any proof. So if you go to Google and type Vedic mathematics research papers, you will get tons of research paper on Vedic maths. I have enlisted few of them. So this is the research paper. So what is the investigation of yoga, pranayama and Vedic mathematics on mindfulness, aggression and emotion regulations. This is paper published in International Journal of Yoga. And you can see the details on the screen. So if you see the highlighted part, so what is in conclusion, they have said that the study showed that positive effect of Vedic maths in increasing mindfulness and increasing emotional regulations in the students. So let's take the national publication, that is the same kind of study has carried out by Parvinderjit Kaur, and she is also published a paper. The name of the paper is Effect of Vedic Mathematics on Achievement in Relation to the Intelligence. So she found that the effect of Vedic mathematics on achievement in relation to the intelligence among adolescents. So she has taken two groups, one for with regular maths, one for with Vedic mathematics, and she found that You can see the findings of the study are: achievement of the students taught through Vedic mathematics was found to be higher than those taught through conventional mathematics, that is regular mathematics. This is research paper published in scientific community. It's not from my side or my own creation. If you are excited to do some demo, do some calculations, then I request you to take pen and paper and come to the whiteboard. So we'll see multiplier and multiplicand. You might have come across these two terms. So we'll see multiplication rule as per the Vedic maths. So there is one condition: when the multiplier is all about 9 digits having 9. So whether it's 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, but all 9 only. So in that case, there is small trick I will tell you. Before that, two terminologies are important: multiplicand and multiplier. The digits to which we are multiplying is called as a multiplicand, and through which digit or through which number we are multiplying is called as a multiplier. So in this case, multiplier is all 9s. You are excited and you want to do something practical. So please take pen and paper. We'll do some demonstration. I will give you few sutras, few techniques which you can easily learn and your mind will be blown away. So if you get a flavor, I will be more than happy for you. Okay, take a pen and paper and then we'll move to the next slide. So today I will teach you multiplication. So in multiplication, there are two terms, multiplicand and multiplier. You can interchange, but just for sake of convenience, we will keep it as it is. So the multiplicand is the number to which you are multiplying is multiplicand, and the number through which you are multiplying is called as a multiplier. So in particular this case, we are keeping multiplier as a series of 9. It may be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, but it should be series of 9. So in that case, how will you get answer in a fraction of second? That is our aim. So when you say the multiplier is containing full of 9, series of 9, there are 3 cases you can study. Which are those? In first case, the number of digits in multiplicand is equal to number of digits in multiplier. That is first case. In second case, the number of digits in multiplicand is less than the multiplier. Second case, and the number of digits in multiplicand is greater. New things. So first thing is number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier are same. So let's say 6 into 9. So the procedure is you have to first reduce 1 or subtract 1 from the multiplicand. So 6 minus 5 will become, 6 minus 1 will become, so write it 5, and then subtract this new number, that is 5, from the 9 series or the multiplier. So 9 minus 5 become 4. So this is 54. So we know 6 nines are 54. That is very easy. But what about 68 into 99? We have to follow the same thing. First reduce 1 from 68. So we will get 67. Now you have got or subtract 67 from 99. So 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. This is your final answer. 6, 7, 3, 2. Easy? You can apply the same thing for the next example. So first thing is subtract 1 from the multiplicand, 68, and then subtract 368 from 999. So it will become within 1 second you will get the, and you can cross check the answer with calculator. You will be amazed. You'll be amazed. That is the power of Vedic Maths. So we'll see the next. The next case is number of digits in multiplicand is greater than number of digits in multiplier. So what will you do in that case? Even though this is multiplication, we are not actually going to do multiplication. We are going to do subtraction, right? So you may be surprised what I am talking about. See here. So first thing is you have to add zeros to the multiplicand, and the number of zeros should be exactly equal to the number of 9 in multiplier. So 650, because there is only one 9, so we have put only one 0, minus multiplicand as it is, minus, and you will get the answer. So 10 minus 5 is 5, then 15 minus 7 is 8 and 5. That is the final answer. Here also 37400, because there are two 9, so we need to put two zeros here, and then you can subtract the original 374 from this new number, so you will get the answer. So this will become 370, then 26. Next, 5278. So there are two 9s, so you can put two zeros, and then 5278, original number, you can subtract. If you subtract it, you will get the answer. So here 2, 2, 5, here you will get 2 and 5, 2. Is it easy? How many of you think that it's very easy? Actually, it's very easy. The next case is number of digits in multiplicand is less than number of digits in multiplier. So in that case, what can you do? It's very easy. You know one rule. You can put any number of zeros before the number, the value of number doesn't change. So we have to use that rule and we have to find the answer. So I have given 3 into 99. That is our original question, because the number of digits in multiplicand is less than number of digits in multiplier. So 3 is 1 digit, 99 is 2 digit. But you can write the same thing without any value as 03 into 99. Now this becomes number of digits in multiplier and multiplicand are same. 03 2 digit and 99 2 digit. So in that case, you know how to deal with this kind of questions. First reduce 1 and then reduce the new number from 99, that is 97. This is your answer. Easy. Here also 54 into 999. Instead of writing 54, you can write 054 into 999. We are not changing any value, just some rearrangement. So reduce 1 from multiplicand and then subtract the new number from 999. You will get the final answer 53946. Similarly, we can do the last example. 47 into 999, we can write 047. So reduce 1 from 47, so 046, and then 999, reduce 046 from 999, you will get 953. So that is your final answer. I hope you have understood all the concepts. One more new method is called as a base method. This method is very famous in Vedic Maths. Before going further, we should understand what is base. Base means 10 to the power n is called as the base number. So it may be 10, it may be 100, it may be, let me write this, it may be 10 if you put n is equal to 1, if you put n is equal to 2, it may be 100, if you put 3, it may be 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs and so on. So all these numbers are called as a base. So understood? So multiplication with base method, and the numbers are above the base. You can see the examples. All the numbers are just above the 100. The condition should be that number should be near base, either above base or below base. First we will see above base. So 102 and 111. So there is a very particular way of writing the example. First you should understand that. Once you write the example in proper way, it's very easy to solve that example. Particularly in base method, we have to write in that way only. So here you can see we have to write the both numbers one above the other. You can see, I will write it for you. Write 102 and then write exactly below 111 and keep some space at right hand side. We will do some operation there. Once you write the example in this fashion, then we have to write how much that number is away from the base. Here our base is 100. So how much number is there away from base is plus 2, because given number are above base. So we should always write plus sign. So plus 2, and in 111 we will get plus 11. And then in answer you can get two parts. So we have to separate that with small slash. So in right part we have to do multiplication, and in left part we have to do cross addition. So in right part 11 to the 22, and then for left part of the answer we have to cross addition. You can do either 102 plus 11 or 111 plus 02. You will get the same answer. So the final answer is 11322. That small slash with green color is just for understanding. So we will see the second example so you can understand better way. So 103 into 102. So plus 3 and plus 2, and there are two parts of answers. So 6, 3 to the 6. But one more rule is there. The number of digits on the right hand side is equal to number of zeros in the base. So base is 100, there are 2 zeros. So we need 2 numbers in our right hand side of the answer. But we have got only 1 digit. So we need to put zeros. We have to fill that place. So we need to put zeros. So it becomes 06. And now the remaining part is same, cross addition. So either you can do 103 plus 2 or 102 plus 3. You will get the 105. So final answer is 10506. If you do the same thing with traditional method, it will take 2 to 3 minutes. But within the second we will get the answer. The next example is 101 into 147. So 01 and 47 we have to write at right hand side. And then first multiplication of the right hand part, that is 47 1s are 47, and then cross addition. 147 plus 1 is equal to 148. So final answer is 14847. You can cross check with your calculators. So you are getting the answer within a second. You have to just write it properly. Now the next case is below the base. So these numbers are just below the 100. So 98 into 95. So we have to write in the same manner which we have did in the previous case. So 98, just below that write 95. Now interesting thing is we have to write how much that number is away from the base. Here if you see properly, you may write it 2, but 2 is not correct. You have to write it with sign convention. So 98 is less than 100 with 2. So we have to write -2. So -2 and -5 is the correct answer. Remaining portion is the same. So first multiply minus 2 into minus 5, you will get 5 2s are 10 and minus minus gets plus. And then cross addition. I am saying cross addition. So 98 minus 5, you will get 93. Or 95 minus 2, you will get 93 also. So this is your final answer. I am saying cross addition. So you have to do the addition with sign convention. You will get the correct answer. So the next example is 89. Just write 89 into 93. Right hand side you will get minus 11 and minus 7. Then there are two parts of the answer. First multiply 11 7 are 77, minus minus get plus, and then 93 plus minus 11, that will become 82. So 82 77 is the final answer. You have to take care of the sign convention as well. Final example is 75 into 97. So it will be minus 25 and then 0 3. So 25 3s are 75. Minus minus get plus, and then cross addition. 75 minus 3 will become 72. So 72 75 is the final answer. So these are the few tricks of the Vedic Ganit. I hope you have got the thing. Now I can't teach all the tricks in one lecture. So for that I have designed a special course. If you are interested, I can tell you more about that course. So first, before telling the details of the course, let me tell you who am I and why I am doing this activity, so that you can get better idea about me. I am Professor Manor Patel. I did my MTech from IIT Kharagpur in 2009. Currently I am working as a life coach and career counselor. My mission is to help students develop their mathematical skills and critical thinking abilities, because this is lacking in all the students. I help students to improve their focus, concentration and memory, which are essential skills for life. So I am helping them. So these are my school days photo. It is taken when I was in 10th. I studied in public school, government public school Pusegaon. It was residential school. And then I did my BTech and then MTech from IIT Kharagpur. These are the pictures with my friends from IIT. Then I did job here and there, and then because of my passion, I went to Gurukul. I teach there ancient technologies, ancient knowledge of Vedic Maths, Trinitra Jagran and other subjects, yoga, meditation. It was a very nice experience, but because of some family responsibilities, I couldn't continue there, so I quit the job. But I learned a lot of things from there. You can see some more pictures of the Gurukul. These are the students. This is the picture taken from Goshala, Gurukul Goshala. This is my current family. She is my wife. She is a software engineer, and that little cute boy. My vision in my life is to bring the positive change in students' life and empower them intellectually, emotionally, spiritually to excel in their life. And to make this vision into reality, I have made one mission for my life. My mission in my life is to empower 1 million students academically, emotionally, and spiritually by imparting them ancient knowledge of Vedic Maths, third eye activation, and around the globe, and bring positive change in them. So my course is divided into two parts. First thing is subject knowledge, and then I have given you 5 bonuses, 5 different courses which will help students to develop their physical as well as mental and spiritual development. So you can see in bonuses I have given you Surya Namaskar course, because nowadays students are very weak. You can see if they do Surya Namaskar properly, regularly, they can build their physique, they can work on their physical part. And then I have given you Anga Ganit. Student can do mathematical calculations on their fingers without pen paper, without calculator. It's very good exercise. It's innovative way to teach them mathematics. Students will increase their interest in mathematics by doing Angaganit, finger maths. And then the third course I have given as a bonus is Omkar Sadhana. Omkar Sadhana is very powerful. If they do regularly, they will increase the connection between them and the universe, and they will resolve all kinds of psychological problems, all stress, anxiety, all kinds of mental problem they will get rid of. So this is very powerful sadhana, Omkar Sadhana. And there are few more courses you can see. So in subject knowledge I have covered all the topics like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, cube, square roots, cube roots, percentage, series, averages, HCF, LCM, almost all the topics whatever is there in their academics till 10th I have covered. So student will learn all these topics in innovative way, in Vedic mathematics way. They can solve all the problems very quickly. So they will become very fast in mathematics. So what is the structure of course? So I have given whole syllabus in recorded form. There are 5 levels, just for understanding. But that is not all. I am conducting weekly doubt clearing session. So I am holding their hand till the end. So they can ask me any kind of doubt during that session. I won't leave the meeting until each and every students will get their doubt clear. I am conducting unit test after every level, after every unit. I have given plenty of worksheets for practice. They can solve those after the class. You will get the e-certificate if they pass the final exam. It's online exam. They need to pass it. They will get the e-certificate of the Vedic Pathshala. And you will get the recordings for lifetime. Recordings of the course as well as recording of the weekly meeting. You will get the access for that. So this is the structure of course. Then who should enroll this course? If your child is struggling with maths, if students are struggling with maths, then they must enroll for this course. Students are not able to focus on studies or any subject, then they should enroll, because the name is Vedic Maths, but it's actually brain development program. You can go to Google and you can search. There are case studies on students who have gone through the Vedic Maths and they have improved their memory, improved their focus, improved their concentration. The next one is students who are preparing for competitive exam. For competitive exam, speed and accuracy is very important. You won't get speed and accuracy with any other mathematics than Vedic Maths. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask on this number or this email ID or this website. You will get connected to me. Interested people should contact me, then I will tell you step by step how to enroll this course. Thank you so much.